What is up, my crypto legends? Guys, what is going on? What is going on? Hi Bartos, how are you? It's insane. I know. What is going on, guys? Is this the start of the bear market? Any reason why we did market fell? Well, I think it's just a little bit of fear, because of, and you could see this structure here being as a distribution. We did mention this. I've seen many other analysts mention this, guys. And basically, we've just mirrored this distribution phase here, as you can see. So what the hell is happening? I know, guys. Yeah, what the hell is happening? Irfan, how are you doing? Mary, how are you? I'm sorry if you got liquidated yesterday, XRP. That was a risky trade considering ETH and BTC drop. I didn't take it yesterday. Well, very good decision. I did get absolutely liquidated on my XRP trade. Where is it? Right over here. It was okay because I have been winning a couple of trades, but I had my liquidation price just right over here. And yeah, it is what it is, and usually I like to trade it from the breakout and then get a bounce and then break in the high, like I mentioned in the video. This would have been ideal, but I was a bit risky. I was a bit aggressive, and this is what you get if you get aggressive and you do not follow the rules. Well, you get liquidated. So I got liquidated on my XRP position right over here, so which is fine. So it happens. You can never win them all. So guys, what is happening? What is going on? Is it the start of the bear market? Armageddon is going on. Yes, Minotaurus. Guys, you need to hold on tight because we could actually go down. We actually hit just below $30,000. So, wow, insane. I was talking about this descending wedge yesterday. This descending wedge, okay, thinking we might break to the upside from this resistance point, but no, guys. Yeah, I thought the next level of support was going to be the $38,000 right over here, but guys, this drop has just been insane. Total capitulation, guys. Lot of fear in the market suddenly, and we've had this massive drop, guys. But not financial advice, but I think best moments to buy is now, guys. Best moments to buy is now, especially knowing that BTC in the near future is going to pass $100,000. It might not be next month, but it will be 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, who knows. This is a buy and hold situation. Bear market, bro. Yes, Isaac. Bear market. Who knows? We might be entering a bear market. I did see some analysts saying that this bull market will end obviously in 2021. A lot of people were thinking at the end of 2021, some of them at the beginning of 2022, and I did see one saying at the end of April. And if I find it, I will mention it in an episode, guys. There was someone saying the bull market will be ending in April because it's just going too fast. Okay, a lot of people coming into the space too fast, too quickly, and so someone saying that the bear market was going to start in April. But guys, this probably is not the start of the bear market. This has just been a huge capitulation, and we might have a huge bounce to the upside in the next coming weeks. Nobody knows. We have broken the total structure of this uptrend. Absolutely, but who knows? There's a lot of new people into the space. Okay, they're the ones that are mostly selling right now, and I do think that maybe a lot of people understand that now is a buying opportunity. So who knows? Maybe there's going to be tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people buying this dip over here. Okay, we've had a massive bounce already from 30,000 all the way to almost 36,000 approximately. So yeah, my guys, who knows? There might be a lot of people buying now, and But just so you can see how long it takes, from these current levels, from the end of January, just over 5 months, no, almost 5 months, sorry, and we just drop in a few days what we've built. It just shows you how when we go down fast. You won't have time to send your crypto to an exchange and sell it. No. Guys, here you just have to hold and be patient. We might drop lower, but just hold it, guys. Just hold it. If you're an investor, it's just because you don't need this money in the short term. You don't need these Bitcoin in the short term. Look how long it takes to for the market to go up, and then suddenly, it's insane. It's like COVID. This is just like COVID, because we have had from the top here all the way down is over 50% correction, 53% correction. So Bitcoin has lost over half its value in less than a month. It's absolutely insane. And COVID crash, let's just check out from this chart over here. The coronavirus drop, let's just count here from about 10,500 all the way down here. This was about 63% crash. Okay, but this is very rare in the bull market, so who knows, this might be the end of the bull market, guys. Who knows? I've lost 25k on trading, which is 99% of my portfolio. Whoa, but life is life. I've always learned something. I guess it's time to accumulate and learn. Wow, I feel really sorry for you, Bartos. Exactly. Be careful with the trading. I got liquidated from the XRP trade this morning. So yeah, I mean, it happens. I was risking obviously about 2% or 3% of my portfolio, which is fine. So it just happens. You don't have to risk that much. If you risk, 20% of your portfolio, 30%, people want to get rich really quick in crypto. And no, guys. No. It was not the right moment. The best thing is to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and just hold it. And if it dips, just buy a little bit more and hold it. In my opinion, this is the strategy that I've been using now for the last couple of years, and it's been working absolutely fine. So these drops, I was in the drop here because I started invested in crypto in mid 2018. And I thought this was the start of the bull run, in mid 2019 in the summer, thinking, wow, this is insane. And then suddenly the price crashing, and then COVID came in 2020, and my portfolio dropped also over 50%, which was absolutely insane. I couldn't imagine this drop, But what I did is I did have some US dollar USDT. And I actually bought a little bit more because I understood that, this is the moment to buy. Look at this drop over here from COVID. Obviously, this was the bear market. We might be entering a bear market now, but let's hope that we are going to bounce, and we are going to continue to the upside. I do think that, it is different this time. It is different. So why should the bull market end in 2021? We might be ending in 2022, mid 2022, and we just need this huge correction. Guys, look, if you bought right over here from this huge drop, look what happened next, just to the upside over, I think it was about 300%, 400%. No, sorry, 1,500% gains from the bottom here of COVID. So, yeah, guys, insane. Just imagine now, this is a huge drop. Who knows? People thinking that we might be entering a bear market, but this might be one of the best buying opportunities, because from here we might be picking up, okay? And this bull market won't end in 2021. It might end in 2022. Who knows, guys? Who knows? This thing might happen instead of this now going sideways and then coming to the downside. It's too early in my opinion. This is just to scare new investors. This is institutions, all right, wanting to buy cheaper crypto. They found a strategy. They got Elon Musk in, making a strategy and looking like this is a distribution phase, and we're going to go to much lower levels, and then just people panic selling. I want to show you here also what happens if we are doing a 2013-2014 scenario. Okay, you know, look at this. Obviously, there's a lot more liquidity, but also the America's ETF, United States ETFs haven't been approved yet. Institutions cannot invest in Bitcoin because they need a little bit more regulation, and they just they need, you know, there's millions and billions still yet to come into the market, guys. So this is a clear manipulation of the price, you know, making it come lower. And early retail investors, like they've been starting investing last month, 2 months ago, they want them to sell, to panic sell, so they can get their cheap Bitcoin. Their Bitcoin that they paid for $40,000, $50,000, they want to buy it now at $20,000, $25,000. So what happens if this is happening right now? You know, we can see that Bitcoin in 2013, you know, from this top all the way down here, had an 80% correction, guys. Okay, 80% correction from $250 all the way down to, yeah, about $40. Absolutely insane. And then, you know, we just went sideways for a few months here, as you can see, from May all the way, and it is exactly the same, almost the same timing, just a month earlier. Just imagine we're going to go a couple of months sideways now, and then we're going to have another huge pump in late 2013 or late 2021. So yeah, guys, do not be afraid of this. You know, this is absolutely normal. This it was, you know, taking too long to happen, this. None of the platform is working. Yes, none of the platforms are working. What do you mean? Exchanges, or do you mean Bybit or Femex? Because I've got Bybit working here. Probably maybe exchanges, Binance, Kraken. I think that they might be all saturated because a lot of people want to sell their crypto. They're scared. A lot of people want to send, you know, all their cryptos from the wallets all to exchanges. I bet the exchanges are actually saturated right now because it is time to panic sell. And what does that mean? That you do not have to sell now, guys. You do not have to sell. You have to buy. Hi Andy, did you think this was a manipulation for lower prices? Absolutely, yeah. We could actually come lower because people are going to freak out from this, and we might come to the 20, you know, 29. We've actually hit $29,000. We could come down to even $20,000, guys. Yeah, but it will be fast. It will be fast. We will be having big bounces to the upside. Everything's happened too fast, guys. We've gone all the way up to almost $65,000, very, very fast. Okay, so this is just a cool off. We might be going sideways and a little bit to the downside, then up, down for a couple of months now. People will get bored, and yeah, that's just how crypto works. It was very, very boring in 2019. Very, very boring. All the way from here, and also part of late 2019. I remember when it was just in between 9,000 and 10,000. You know, it was just months round over here, then actually going to the downside, then up, you know, then down again, then up, you know, all of this, you know, this was in between 6 and 7 months, you know, in between 7,000 and 12,000. Very, very boring, very, very boring. So this could happen right now. We might be just going in between 40,000 and 30,000 for a few months. Guys, best strategy, buy and hold, and be careful with trading. I got liquidated on my XRP trade, but it's absolutely fine because it's a small percentage. I just use that to make a bit of extra money, and you know, I risk 2-3% of my portfolio for trading. Bartos, funny thing, I tried to buy the dip by fiat and didn't go through. Is that with Binance or with Kraken, Coinbase? You know, I bet a lot of people are trying to buy the dip also now. you know, a lot of them trying to sell, a lot of them trying to buy the dip. And yeah, exchanges must be getting saturated now. Absolutely. I can't believe that ADA came to $1. I know ADA, insane. I mean, look at XRP. You know, this. If you're trading this, no matter what, you're gonna get exterminated. You know, it's insane. Luckily, I wasn't adding too much to my position. I didn't have even time because I wasn't expecting this sharp drop. But if I would have been adding to my position, you know, I probably would have lost quite a bit here. Insane drop this, guys. Obviously, you do not want to try and buy these levels as well, because, you know, this might have a small correction, then have another major dip. Okay, guys, you want to see some nice round bottoming out, you know, double bottom scenario and things like that. Let's take a look at ADA, because ADA, I did an amazing trade on ADA last week. And yes, I've almost lost half of that position with the XRP one. Whoa, wow, ADA has, look at that, look at this. Guys, all of the cryptos are absolutely bleeding right now. It is absolutely insane. Insane, guys. I remember the XRP trade the ADA trade I entered was here, and I exited at $2.05 right over here. Because then you think, I'll leave it because ADA is going to go to $4, you know, and the commissions is low. I'll leave it because, you know, who knows, in July it might go to $4, $5, which it might will. But if you're trading it, guys, I think I had my liquidation price for ADA at about $1.05. So I would have gotten liquidated if I would have left this trade open. Guys, you need to have the strategies for trading, you know, is it reaches the target, you exit. I'm like this because this is what happens. You know, you might leave the trade. Oh, it won't drop 50%, will it? Or even more, 55%. Almost 60%. Nah, it won't drop. And yes, it will. It will, guys. The markets will come after you. The markets are not so you can make money. They're here so you can lose money. So you need to be super, super cautious. You know, the ADA trade was this this ascending triangle. And from the breakout, I entered here in the bounce. Entered it, was here for a few days, and once we reached $2, $2.05, I exited. And that's it, because I don't want to think, oh yeah, it's going to go up to $4, $5, you know, and then you're making loads of money. Then this happens, and then boom, you're out. And all those gains that you've been waiting for, no, guys, you need to be really, really strict in trading, because the market will come after you and exterminate you. I can't believe that ADA came to $1. Yes, even lower than $1. Oh no, just on top of $1. $1.05. Blow off top looks different. This is not the end. Well, this is one thing that I want to clarify also, guys, because blow off top is mainly for from retail investors. Okay. We have professional, big-time investors now. You know, the market cap has gone to over $1 trillion for Bitcoin. And this is clearly a distribution phase, guys. This is, you know, this right over here. Sorry, let me just get this over here so you can see it. Right, Wyckoff distribution, all right. This is, you know, the institutions, the big money, the whales, the professional investors, knowing how to play the market, you know, fooling you, thinking that the price is going to go even higher after this correction, and it does, but then they, you know, the higher highs go lower and lower every time. And this is a, you know, clear manipulation from big players. It's billions of dollars right over here. And if we go back to 2017, this is no huge amount of investors here. Very low, mostly retail. You would say 90-95% retail. And this is just insane people, you know, people like you and me, just put in a few thousand, a few tens of thousands, and, you know, trying to chase the market, chase, and then suddenly, obviously, there is a moment where a lot of people realize that, you know, this can't go up forever, and then just the sell-off starts coming. You know, this is the exact retail blow off top. But once you have professionals, once you have billionaire investors coming into the market that know how to play the market, you know, the top could easily be something like this, you know. Easy. And they sell off quick. They can sell off. That you won't have time to go on exchanges and sell. Obviously, they buy OTC as well, over the counter, so it doesn't have too much price impact in the market. And yeah, this is, you know, this could be a professional billionaire investor top, all right? And this is retail, you know, like a chicken with no head, just buying and buying and buying and buying, and then you have this, which is an absolute bubble. So who knows? Who knows? I want to think that this is not the top, guys. This is just a nice, huge, healthy sell-off correction, panic sell as well. A lot of newcomers into the space since beginning of 2021, buying over here, buying at $45,000, $50,000. Yes, Bitcoin's going to $100,000, $150,000, $300,000. It's not going to be an easy ride, guys. We could even come down to $20,000. I'll be just fine. I'm not here for the short term. I'm here, you know, I'm here for the long term. Obviously, when we hit $100,000, I might sell some. But yeah, guys, yeah, this might be a professional, you know, investor top, market top. Wyckoff distribution. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. 45 views, 21 likes. It's a capitulate. The price will come back where it was in a week. Yes, it might. Yes. ARV, absolutely. It could. This is just a huge capitulation, you know, and to scare newcomers into the market. You know, then this is obviously a lot of people that have been investing around this area. They gotta freak out now. They're probably just selling their Bitcoin with a little loss, 10% loss, 20, 50% loss, just thinking, right, this is not for me. I don't believe in this. And then suddenly, in the next couple of months, we'll be back up at $60,000. You know, I've seen it before. These huge sell-off usually pick up. Right, if we fall this quick and this fast, you know, usually it starts bottoming out like this over here. COVID crash. This is just a panic sell. People want to get dollars. They panic sell. Obviously, a lot of people that bought down over here, you know, are also taking profits over here, guys. This is absolutely normal. So it's just how it works. But I do not think this is over, you know. I do not think this is over. We could come as low as $20,000. A retest of the all-time high of 2017. It would be absolutely insane, because that would be about a 70% correction. Yeah, almost a 70% correction down to $20,000. I don't think this will be coming that low, guys. But I was cautious anyway, because everybody with stock to flow, you know, we are going to reach $100,000, $200,000. No, guys, mostly the people are wrong. So yeah, not everybody's going to make money in this market. Thankful. My man, I started. Sorry, guys, I'm just going to read through. I traded carefully, man. Made 3x. Nice. Good job, Vignac. Christopher, TNX, sir. You're the great TA. I know. You're the great TA. TNX. Shall we take a look at TNX? Or thanks. Is that a thanks, right? I thought you meant TNX as a crypto. My man, I started with $200 and took some profits, so I'll move on. Great, Bartos, yeah, but thanks for the warm words. Binance. Binance is the one that's struggling right now, isn't it? Must be saturated. All of these people wanting to sell or to buy at the same time. Everywhere is freaking bleeding. I know, Azak, it's absolutely insane. All the cryptos that let's take a look at Matic, because Matic was one of the best performers here in the last couple of weeks when everything was dropping. Is it Matic Network USD? Yeah, Matic has had an insane drop. Well, it's recovered really, really quick. Look at this recovery. It's been insane. All the way to $1. So from $2.70, it was about. Massive correction, 60% correction. Look how fast it's been bought back up. Because Matic is actually working. It is something that is working. Not like Cardano. They haven't got a working product just yet. But the Matic scaling solution for Ethereum is working. So, you know, it's just followed the market. It's followed this massive drop. And now it's just picking up nicely. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart here. Absolutely insane. This could be a dead cat bounce also, guys. Don't get me wrong here, because massive drop, you know, then the buying pressure won't be enough. And then we'll just follow the downtrend here. But insane, guys. The markets are bleeding. This had to happen sooner than later, rather than later, because we were just going up too fast. Just going up too fast. You know, not too so big corrections. They were about 20%, 20%, 25%. We did need something like this, but not over 50%. Nobody was expecting this. Everybody was expecting something like 17. Sorry. We need to have a 35% correction. We need to have a 39% correction. Well, no, boom, 55% correction. The market needs to do this to freak out people and get newcomers from the space away. Everywhere is freaking bleeding. Yes, Azak. Dev, I got liquidated and everything gone in a blink of an eye. Yes, Dev. Sorry to hear that. A lot of people are bleeding right now, liquidated, losing money, especially the newcomers. You know, lots of people that have been investing in January and February, you know, when Bitcoin has at 40,000, 50,000. You know, yes, it's happening. We are going to 100K, 200K. Guys, it's not going to be an easy ride. This is not an easy ride. So I feel sorry for you guys if you've used high leverage or you've been using too much money and leverage trading. A lot of people have been liquidated right now, and we might be coming to $28,000, $24,000. This market will correct, but you know this will make history also. You know, we might even drop in the next couple of days. You know, have a huge, massive sell-off, and come to the $20,000 range, and then the market's going to take months and months and months to pick up. But guys, yeah, this is not an easy market to play with. China news. Yes, China news also supposedly banning Bitcoin, right? Yeah, I've heard this news. Is that on Cointelegraph? Maybe. Let's see if we can find some interesting news, guys. I've got it in Spanish. I want to change it in English, but browser's not going very well at the moment. Anyway, but yes, I did hear this the news, guys, about China banning, but I think it's got nothing to do with the banning of Bitcoin. Right now, worse than March 2020 Bitcoin price dives below $33,000. Below $30,000. Bitcoin chart fractal notorious 60% 70 price crashes is back. New OCC head request review of cryptocurrency rules. Is this the China one? I'm trying to look for the China news here somewhere. Yeah, I can't find it now, but yeah, there's just a lot of FUD at the moment, guys, in the market, so absolutely normal, this sell-off. The buying pressure will come back, don't worry. Just hold, guys, just hold. Yes, 60,000, 50,000 was good moments to sell, but nobody could predict it. I was hoping the Bitcoin to actually bounce back up. I saw this descending wedge yesterday. You know, bullish divergence. Come on, guys. You know, this needs to break to the upside. It is a bullish padding, but you know, but then you have this Wyckoff distribution phase. You know, you just want to ignore it. You're thinking you're in a bull market, and you want to ignore all the bearish patterns or the bearish trend. I'm a Bitcoin bull, not a Bitcoin bear, so it's very difficult to just say, guys, we're going to go lower, we're going to go lower. We've absolutely broken the trend, so it might take quite a long time to come back to these levels, to $60,000 levels. What a drop, H. Absolutely insane. What a drop. Dev, at what leverage? Oh, I guess you're talking to someone else. Crypto T, you think this will play out? What do you mean, Crypto T? What is going to play out? Do you think this will come up in short term? Well, I am expecting a kind of bounce here nicely. We're already having a bounce because we've come all the way down to $30,000. So yeah, we're definitely having a bounce from here. But who knows, guys? This might, if we take a look at the 1 hourly chart, there is definitely some buying pressure. Look at this huge green candle on the 1 hourly chart. This is massive buying pressure. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. But yeah, it's a bit of a mix. Buying, selling, buying, selling. We need to bottom out, guys. This is too soon. A lot of people thinking I'm going to put huge leverage trades right over here with a long position. But guys, yeah, this is trying to catch a falling knife, as they say. We need to find, you know, a bottom, you know, doing a nice double bottom scenario, inverse shoulder, head and shoulder, you know, something that signals that we are bottoming out. Because now this could be a dead cat bounce, and then suddenly we might break the lows that we've done here at $30,000, come down to $28,000. So be careful, guys, with your long positions. Just let the market do what it needs to do, and then we'll find some opportunities. You know, obviously, when I'm talking about this, for example, because I might sound very, very bullish on my videos, thinking like we are in a descending wedge, guys. Very, very likely that we are going to break, because it is a bullish pattern. 60%, 65% of the time we break to the upside on this on a descending wedge, especially in a supposed bull market. So you do not trade this until the breakout. A lot of people try to anticipate this, thinking, yes, it's a falling wedge. Yes, we are going to go to the upside. No, we trade the breakout. We are breakout traders. So obviously, in the bearish scenario was, guys, if we fall below $42,000, I said, you know, very likely we're going to touch the $38,000. And yeah, well, never mind the $38,000. We went all the way down to $30,000. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, okay, if you're new here. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So guys, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe. Jen Zod, is the correction over yet? I'm crapping my pants. Yes, me too. Me too, Jen. I am also crapping my pants. Just the same as a 2020 COVID crash. Right over here. This. I remember looking at my portfolio going down 5%, 10%, you know, 15%, and thinking, okay, it's fine. You know, I've been investing since around over here You know, I started getting heavy around over here, and I started into crypto, you know, just in 2018 in the bear market. So, you know, I was getting some crypto, you know, just having some experience with exchanges, Coinbase, you know, started with Coinbase, then Kraken, started buying a little bit, you know, not too much. And then this suddenly happens, and thinking, wow, is this going to zero? What the hell was happening with this? And then getting books, getting information, and obviously knowing that this is here to stay, and started investing heavily once this started to pick up. So this was a good moment to buy. Also, was accumulating some Bitcoin around this area. Obviously over here at 10,000, almost at 13,000. And then this suddenly happens, you know. All these months I'm putting money into crypto, into Bitcoin, and then suddenly this happens. We have over a 60% correction with COVID. And you see your portfolio going down, you know, over almost 60%. And you just shit your pants. But then look what happened. Then look what happened after this. When you shit your pants is when things start to look okay. So, you know, best advice that I could give you is not advice, obviously, not financial advice, but just time to scoop up some Satoshis, some more Bitcoin. Because when you shit your pants, you know, most likely scenario would be coming back up, guys. This is to scare people out, the newcomers out of the market. And we could have come even lower, guys. Isaac, I heard from a friend in China that the news is fake and they can trade crypto. Yes, of course it's fake. Yes, I also heard that it's fake. China's not banning Bitcoin. This has happened so many times. I've heard this news of China banning Bitcoin about 5 times since I'm in crypto. You know, 2018, 2019 and 2020, banning crypto, guys. They cannot ban something that is decentralized. You can ban, you know, centralized cryptos, so you cannot have access. But there is ways also to have access on these centralized exchanges. So it is just FUD. It is to scare people away from this market that is going to have a lot of success during the next couple of years. Bitcoin will go over a few $100,000 in the next coming years, guys. Potentially to $1 million, over $1 million before 2030. It's just not going to be an easy ride. And this is the moment to start scooping up some Bitcoin. That's it, guys. That's it. I know it sounds easy, but I'm also, you know, I'm actually in doubt. Are we going to enter a bear market and go as low as, you know, even below the all-time high of 2017? Can we actually go to, you know, because everybody thinks, you know, the cycles need to be the same or rhyme, you know. No, this cycle could be totally different. We haven't had a blow off top. The top has been in April. Everybody expecting late 2021. Everybody expecting over 100,000 Bitcoin. No, guys, most of the people investing lose money. So you need to kind of play around with this also. You know, everybody was looking too bullish. And obviously Dogecoin, Shiba Coin coming out, all these shit coins coming out. That is a clear sign that there's, you know, something bad is going to happen. And yeah, guys, I didn't say on my videos, I wasn't expecting such a huge drop. But when you got everybody talking about crypto and I bought some Shiba coins, oh God, I knew something bad was coming. I knew it. I did not, I wish I would have changed more, taken more profits from my investment. I wish I would have taken more profits to buy this dip. I think I'm about 50% of my portfolio I changed in USDT. Obviously my initial investment from, you know, 2018, 2019, much more than that. Well, I am an early investor, and you know, I would start freaking out if we start to hit, you know, below the $20,000 area, which could happen, guys. It could happen, you know, with these huge drops. You know, how much have we dropped in? This is the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. hang on a second, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So in 11 days we've dropped $30,000, almost $30,000, 50%, and in 10 days. So yeah, we could drop, in 2-3 days we could easily drop $20,000, $15,000 in a couple of days, and going below the $20,000. Then I'll freak out. Then I won't be losing money just yet, but guys, I think there's a lot of people buying the dips, huh? A lot of newcomers know that this is a buying opportunity. Jen Zod, hold till portfolio is down to 0, guys. No worries, everything is fine. Yes, exactly. I don't think Bitcoin can go to 0, but it can go, below $20,000. It could happen. Not over yet. Would it be a good idea to swap ETH to some good alts now, or just keep ETH for the time being? Well, it all depends on you. I mean, ETH is also going to be here. It just needs a lot of development still, but ETH will go over $10,000. The question is when. When, will it be? It might be in 2026. We might not even break this high of $4,400 till 2024 or 2025. We might be going sideways here for months and a couple of years, and maybe, if this would be a top, the normal reaction now of the market, of a bear market, will be having a nice bounce, and everybody thinking, okay, the correction is over. We are going to break all-time highs, and then suddenly you have another severe drop, and then people start freaking out, thinking, oh my God, it's time to sell, time to sell. Oh, no, it looks like that we are going to pick up in the end. And then you have this kind of descending triangle scenario, okay? And then you have the massive last drop, okay? All of this, because this is, getting it from the past also. This is what happened right over here. You had the blow off top, massive correction, and then you have this pump thinking, okay, I bought the dip. I bought the dip right over here, thinking, yes, it is time to break all-time highs again, isn't it? Well, no, guys. Look what happened afterwards, straight back down again. Oh, we're going to go lower, we're going to go lower. Oh, no, it's not. This is a double bottom scenario. Okay. We are making a double bottom right over here. And we're going up, but no, guys, then the market just dies off. Everybody loses interest because this happens in weeks, takes months. People lose interest, and then you have the final sell-off. A lot of people, also Michael Novogratz, saying that we've bottomed out here. This clearly looks like a bottom, Nobody else wants to sell from here, but obviously this is a descending triangle scenario kind of thing. Because, we have a very big buying pressure right over here around these areas, $6,000. But, we have lower highs. People are selling. And then, suddenly the price just needs to have a massive move to find its real price. And this was the great buying opportunity. So this could happen, guys. It might get boring now for crypto. A lot of new people coming in thinking, yes, we're going to make, I'm going to 10x my money in the next couple of months. And they're just going to find out that the market is going to go sideways for a long, long time. And they're just going to get bored. They're going to get their money out, and then and then another cycle will start. Who knows, guys? Let's just think that this is going to be a 2013 scenario, okay? And we're just going to go sideways for a couple of months. This happened in April, guys. This huge sell-off from 2013 happened in April. We had a massive bounce. The drop was, what was it, about 70%, 80% correction here. Obviously, there's a lot more money now in the market. It's going to be way more difficult. But if there was a super cycle, like I'm expecting a super cycle, guys. And super cycle, if we go to $200,000, it is a super cycle in my opinion. We do not need to go to $1 million. If I take this chart over here, look at Matic's already gone to 190. You know, Matic was trading at 190 the 18th of May. This was, yeah, yesterday. So insane for Matic. Look at Matic. People have taken advantage because they know Matic is a working scaling solution for Ethereum, and it's going fast. So look how they bought up this dip for Matic. Absolutely insane. Guys, one of the most important charts that we need to pay attention is the DXY, the dollar index, the dollar value. So I've been talking about this in my channel a couple of times. I got a video that's called the Bitcoin Super Cycle, and because of the fundamentals, we know that they have printed a huge amount of trillions of dollars. They're not into the market just yet, and I see this as a huge diamond reversal pattern. Okay, we have this huge leg up, this diamond reversal pattern for the dollar value, and this major support level is going to be retested in the next couple of days. It has been retested twice here already, and we are going for the third retest just after this rejection here from this resistance point. So the dollar value, if we break this, we might have a severe drop, okay? Because this is what usually happens for diamond reversal patterns. You have this huge pump to the upside. Okay, this happened in a couple of months. In a few months, sorry, not a couple, but a few months here for the dollar value in 2014, all the way till late 2014, mid 2014 to late 2014, 5-6 months, huge pump. Okay, the dollar gained huge amount of value. So it is taking a little bit longer now, but the diamond reversal pattern is getting a huge leg up into the pattern and then huge leg down on the reversal. So this could happen, guys, in 2021 and in the next couple of months. The dollar value just having a huge crash, and if the dollar value has a huge crash, Bitcoin, gold, other cryptocurrencies, and different assets are going to gain a huge amount of value. People are going to protect their money if we have this huge inflation also. So this is something that I'm looking for the dollar value. I mean, it can't be the bear market for Bitcoin. We might see sideways a little bit. We could drop a bit lower. But yeah, guys, I think we might have this is going to be something like 2013 and 2014 in my opinion. Something like this. Right over here. So we've had the huge pump, and now we're having the huge correction, and now everybody's freaking out. We're going to go sideways for a couple of months, and then we're going to have the next leg up, okay, going to potentially $200,000. And this is when ETFs going to be approved. You know, large investors have been regulated so they can buy Bitcoin. Big institutions, then they are going to come in. We've only had a few institutions coming in for the moment, and especially if this happens to the dollar value, I'm expecting a huge drop here for the dollar value. And we all know that if you take a look at my video that says super cycle, I think I did it last week. I'm talking about, you know, when this happened, this huge pump for the dollar value, Bitcoin had a massive crash. This was the late 2013. Okay, this was when the Bitcoin arrived to $4,000. And sorry, to $1,000, and then had this massive correction in 2015 and 2016. Also, and then here in early 2017, when the bull market was taking off, early 2017, the dollar value started to crumble. And look where it ended, early 2018. This is when the bear market started. So looking at this chart for the dollar value, I do not think that we are going to have a massive pump here to the upside. It's just not going to happen, guys. It's not going to happen for the dollar value. This chart and the fundamentals, the money printing, indicates that the dollar value is going to fall, guys. It will be falling in the next coming months. You know, fundamentals and technicals put them together, you know, and it's almost a 100% guarantee this is going to happen. And what happens when the dollar value goes down? Well, with history, we can see that dollar value goes down, Bitcoin pumps, dollar value goes up, Bitcoin dumps. Now we're just having a huge capitulation phase, and yeah, I don't think that the bear market, we're not entering a bear market, guys. Just going to go sideways a little bit lower for the next coming weeks, and we'll start picking up. Bro, you sound really affected. Me? No, not at all, not at all. I wasn't expecting this. Obviously, people, you know, markets come unexpected. But I'm fine. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I wish I would have got, you know, more in USDT, more profits. Obviously, you know, the portfolio is down 50%, you know, since a couple of weeks back. So this is absolutely normal, guys. You know, I've been through, obviously made much more money now than in March of 2017. Sorry, March of 2020, which was COVID. Obviously, yeah. But fine, guys, you know, I'm used to this. You need to be used to the markets. You need to prepare yourself. You know, I did take some profits all the way up here from my portfolio, changed to USDT. You know, but you're never going to sell on the top, and you're never going to sell, and you're never going to buy the bottom, guys. People are buying now thinking that this might be the bottom, and it might, and we're going to have a massive bounce. But then, you know, the price will come even lower, and then you've spent tens of thousands of dollars buying up this price, and you haven't got more money to buy around these prices. So yeah, it's crazy, guys. Always take profits when the market goes up. It's really important, guys. Take profits when the markets are up. I bought most of my Bitcoin when they were about $6,000, $8,000 approximately, all the way up to $10,000. I wasn't buying much Bitcoin when we started to break all-time highs. This is when I stopped buying Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, just, you know, hold on tight, hodl your bags. This is not the time to sell. It is time to have a walk on the beach and forget about crypto, okay, for some time. Guys, if you're new here, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe. I do daily technical analysis, okay, on Bitcoin, crypto. If you leave me your favorite crypto, I'll do some analysis also. Let me go through the comments. Stupid question because nobody knows. What's that? Does this mean the bull market is over? I'm panicking. Piremia, yes, no, I do not think this is over. Especially, you know, because especially because of the dollar, guys. I'm expecting a huge drop in the dollar value in the next coming months. The technical analysis here is crazy. You know, I can see this major support level here for the dollar value. This is the weekly chart. This is coming all the way from 2000, the year, no, even further back, all the way from 1986. Okay, so this is the dollar value, the history of the dollar value since 1986. And looking at this chart, you know, diamond reversal pattern, we have this huge leg up, major support that we are retesting at the moment, okay? We got a nice bounce here in 2017. We did get a little bounce in January of 2021. And now guess what? We're coming for another retest. And the more times you retest a support or resistance, the more likely it is to drop. And the dollar value, yeah, you know what happened last year? We printed more than 20 or even 25% of the entire dollar circulation. You think that the dollar's gonna gain value? Absolutely not. The dollar is gonna lose value in the next coming months. So I'm expecting a breakout from me, and obviously if we break this major support level, we will have a severe drop, just like we've had this severe pump here. Major pump. Usually the breakouts from a diamond reversal pattern are also very aggressive because it's just a change of direction. If we take a look at Ethereum, for example, look Look how fast we went into this diamond reversal pattern. I had a conservative target here for Ethereum. If you watch one of my videos, I saw this diamond reversal pattern, guys, and obviously this, I think it was about 60% of the times you break to the downside instead to the upside. And my conservative target was all the way to the $3,200 range. Okay, because I wanted to, we are in a bull market. I don't think we're going to have this huge correction. So I got from this consolidation phase, you get the leg up, okay? And then from the breakout, then I say, guys, yeah, most likely we'll be coming down to the $3,200 range, which we did. But, you know, if you want to go more aggressive, look how this huge leg up, you know, we've got a leg up. Well, you wouldn't count it from here. You could actually, you could because you can't see major corrections from here. You can see all of this as a leg up into the diamond pattern. And, you know, who would have guessed if I would have told you, I like to be conservative always on my trades, you know, get in, get out, you know, get out at 80% or even 70% of the target, you know, because the markets will, you know, they will get your liquidation price. It's very volatile, especially crypto. But imagine getting, I would have said to you, guys, this is the diamond reversal pattern. If we break to the downside, you know, this is the leg up from here, okay, into the pattern. And if we break down, you know, the measured move is coming all the way down to the $2,000 range, guys. And look at this, it's insane. We have actually come all the way down here. Who would have said, you know? This is all of the leg up, because you can clearly see that, you know, this is a correction, huge correction. So you're not going to count the leg from here. You're going to count it from the largest correction. And there hasn't been major corrections right over here, just a bit of sideways action on the 4-hourly chart. So just imagine me a couple of days back when we were here. Guys, this is a diamond reversal pattern from this low here all the way to the diamond pattern. If we break the support level, yeah, we'll be coming down to $2,000. You would have thought, this guy's insane. That is not going to happen. We actually met the target exactly, guys. Who knows? We might be having a massive bounce because we met the target from the diamond reversal pattern. Whoop. We met the target. Might be having a massive bounce to the upside now. So this is what I mean about this, the diamond reversal pattern on the DXY, on the dollar index. You know, I'm expecting a severe drop. We had a fake out over here. This is just volatility. This was actually COVID. These two candles here from the diamond reversal pattern is COVID. The dollar gained a lot of value because everybody was scared. We got all the assets crashing. We got Bitcoin crashing, and, you know, loads of different assets crashing because people want to take dollars. They're scared, and the first thing you go to in a crisis, at the beginning of a crisis and uncertainty, is dollars, because you buy food, you can put petrol in with dollars. But then if the dollar loses value, you want to put the dollars into assets that are going to gain value in the future. In this case, Bitcoin has been performing really, really well for the last 10 years. So this guys, this is what I'm expecting. Okay, I'm just going to say it again. Diamond reversal pattern. We are going to see a severe drop. Look at Ethereum, severe drop after a diamond reversal pattern. This is what usually happens. The same. It is usually the same as the entry from the pattern. You know, you have a huge leg up, really, really fast. This happens fast. And also to the downside, you know, it should happen fast. We are getting supported nicely because all of this huge amount of money is not in circulation just yet. Not just yet. We only just get a lot of people getting vaccinated. The economy is starting to open. Once all of this money floods in, okay, there's going to be money everywhere. There's going to be paper money everywhere, and the dollar value is not going to do this. It's going to do this. And I'll say it again, what happens when the dollar devaluates? Bitcoin goes up. And the same, you know, vice versa. If the dollar value gains, then Bitcoin goes down. But in this case, it's just been fear in the market. They want to scare you guys. It is the end of the crypto market, Bitcoin, bear market coming. No, guys, just hold on. We'll be back to $60,000 in no time. It might take a few months, but that's my opinion. My opinion, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. I give you my opinion, my targets. You know, I was wrong for XRP. I was right for Ethereum. You know, all depending on, you know, XRP I got absolutely liquidated, but because, you know, who can expect a crash like this? You just need to be strict. You have your stop loss and be strict with this. It hit your stop loss, well, that's it. You've lost a trade. So what? Absolutely insane. If you're trying to trade this, I do not trade when this happens in the market. I'm waiting for a little bit of sideways action. And yeah, on tomorrow's video, we're going to look for some different trading opportunities, but this is too dangerous, guys. Market's absolutely crazy now. No trading. A lot of people like to trade this, actually. You know, you could actually place a short order now because we're having a reversal. We might come even lower. On the hourly, looking really, really good. A lot of buying pressure. Absolutely insane, guys. I'm not trading this. I am not trading this. Let me just go through the comments. We all feel like magnetism is gone. Yes. Andreas Lang, it's a good opportunity to buy BTC and other altcoins, so a drop is always a good opportunity as well. Absolutely. Totally agree with you, Andreas. It's time to buy, time to fill your bags. Bitcoin will go to hundreds of thousands of dollars. We just don't know when, guys. We just don't know when. So take advantage of this. I do not think we are entering a bear market, guys. So just stay calm, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily technical analysis, guys, on Bitcoin and other cryptos. Hola amigo, yeah, many exchanges are down now. Obviously, guys, now is not the time to sell. It is time to buy. So a lot of exchanges are absolutely getting flooded now because a lot of people want to buy and a lot of people want to sell. So they're just struggling with all the, you know, it's just collapsing. The network must be collapsing because everybody wants to or sell or buy, you know. It's a very mixed sentiment right now because a lot of panic sellers and a lot of, you know, people that want to buy into the market because they know that this is an opportunity. So yeah, guys, don't worry. You know, just be patient. If you got Binance, if you got Kraken or Coinbase, try using several different ones. And so this is one day over here. Let me just go to the daily charts so you can see how much we moved. I think it was about $8,000. All right, guys, I think you can also drop. Am I still live, guys? Am I still live? Can you, because I think I've lost connection right now. Am I still okay? Yeah, because I think I've been losing a bit of connection, guys. Thanks. Let me just go through the comments and cheers, guys. Thank you very much because I've been losing some connection here. Let me just go through the comments, guys. I want to read all of you so we can see, you know, probably I've got some viewers that want me to check out some different cryptos. Dead cat bounce at the moment. S&P, maybe. Who knows? This might be a huge V correction because we've hit below 30,000. We're at $37,000 almost now. So who knows? We might have a huge V correction. I won, bro. You sound really gutted. Well. The portfolio is down 50%, and it's not a couple of $1,000. No, it's not. But it's fine, guys. I mean, a lot of people must have, really been panicking and panic selling also. But I'm fine, guys. I've been here since mid 2018. I went through COVID as well, the COVID crash. And yeah, I'm used to it. Obviously, you don't like looking at your portfolio down 50% in the last couple of days, but you just hold it, guys. Hold it. If you are a Bitcoin believer, Bitcoin will go over $100,000 and more in the next coming years. So you just hold it. I do not need that investment in the short term. This is a long-term investment. Be careful with altcoins, guys. Altcoins there's a lot that are very good, like Chainlink, in my opinion. Chainlink has had a massive crash also. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Link US dollar. I think it's gone down to $20. Look at this. Insane. And Chainlink was just about to break, this resistance line on the logarithmic chart here. And it looked like it was time to get really, really bullish for Chainlink. We had this major resistance, guys, we were breaking it. Chainlink's going to go to $100. And it's come down to $19, guys. Insane with this crash. All over 50%. If we go from the top here, from the last couple of days. Yeah, most cryptos down 50-60%. Which is very rare in a bull market, especially Bitcoin. It might be all right for altcoins. Altcoins have gone down 50% in a bull market, but yeah, Bitcoin to go down 55% is very, very rare in a bull market. But it cannot be the same as other cycles, guys. Cannot be the same, guys. 149 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way in, guys. And subscribe. I do daily technical analysis, okay, on Bitcoin and cryptos. Let me go through the comments because I am losing you guys. From back in November, Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of cryptocurrency derivatives platform FTX, made the second largest donation to Joe Biden's campaign. Wow, Awan, bro, you sound really gutted. Yes, I am gutted because of this huge drop. We're just going to hold it nicely together, guys. Buy the dip because Bitcoin will be valued over $100,000 in the near future. Dead cat bounce. This could be a dead cat bounce. Okay, we're having a retracement and we might go lower to $30,000 again. Tonight I shall be drinking a whiskey and smoking a joint. Yes, Spencer, yes. Be careful, okay, by drinking too much because alcohol can also be very depressing, especially in these times. You need to go for a run. I like doing sport. I'm going to go for a run afterwards. Over a 1 hour run. I'm going to do 10k, 10 kilometers. Because yeah, this is, good times. This is good times. This is opportunities in the market, guys. In the markets. I wish I would have got more USDT a couple of weeks. Change more USDT from my portfolio to buy in this dip, But anyway, I have actually bought this dip. Okay, but I wish I would have had more USDT to buy the dip. Obviously. But this happens to everybody. Everybody. There's only going to be a small percentage that I've sold here at $64,000 and now they're buying at 50% discount. Very, very small percent, guys. Not even 1%. 0.01% of, the investors sold right over here. So, yeah, guys, don't worry. Just hold on tight because Bitcoin will be going to hundreds of thousands of dollars, especially by looking at this chart, guys. This is my indication that the bull market hasn't ended. This is the DXY, the dollar index. The dollar is going to be losing value in the next coming months, guys. The economy is opening. All this huge amount of money printing that they printed last year is going to start flooding into the economy. And the dollar value is not going to go like this. It's not going to gain value. It's going to go like this, guys. Yes, interest rates will go interest rates will go high. But even though, guys, the dollar value will lose and Bitcoin will win, guys. So pay attention. This is my the best indication that I got that the Bitcoin bull market hasn't ended. Absolutely not, guys. Dollar index, diamond reversal pattern. Boom, we are coming down for the dollar index. And Bitcoin will continue to pump. In my opinion, we are going to have a 2013, 2014 scenario here. Let me just go quickly here to BTC, USD. Bitstamp for the newcomers, guys. I know I said this before on the stream, but I am looking at something like this scenario right over here. 2013 had an 80% correction. Wait until institutions, big money, the United States ETF comes in. You know, the institutions, if they haven't gotten into the boat, they bring the boat back, guys. So they are going to invest now that the price are at these levels. So I think this scenario is going to happen for Bitcoin. Huge correction sideways. Everybody's going to think that the bear market's here. Then we're going to start pumping like crazy once we see this, the dollar index losing value. Inflation is going to go crazy. This is what I'm expecting. This might not happen, you know. They might get the money out slowly and consistently. They might control the inflation and the dollar value, you know, might be going sideways here. But I'm going to stick with my technical analysis and the fundamentals. Huge amount of trillions of dollars flooding into the market. Bitcoin will go up. It's not the end of the bull market, guys. Right, guys, let me just read through to you. Dead cat bounce. Tonight I shall be drinking. Yes, William, you bought shitcoin. It was you. Do Dogecoin. Yes, let's take a look at Dogecoin. Yeah, I've had many people saying to me, take a look at Dogecoin. Right, let's take a look at Doge. Dogecoin USD. Doge USD. Wow, huge drop for Dogecoin as well. Obviously, had a nice bounce. They're all going to have a nice bounce. Oh, the market always comes back. But yeah, let's see the correction here from the top to the bottom. Yeah, 70% correction for Dogecoin. All the way down to 22 cents. Insane. Guys, no technical analysis. You know, we're just having fun here looking at the drop. You know, this could be a dead cat bounce for most of the cryptos, Bitcoin and most of the cryptos. Okay, we're just having people buying up the dip. And then the buying pressure is not going to be enough. And we might come back down lower, guys. This is what usually happens. We don't usually have a huge V correction, okay, like this. Usually we do not see this drop and then coming back up like this. Usually the buying pressure is not enough and the selling pressure, and then we're just going to roll down over and then maybe do a double bottom, go sideways. This is for all cryptos. They're all doing the same thing. Let's go through the comments. Is this anything to do with Israel Hamas war? I don't think so. I don't think this has got to do anything to do with what's happening in Israel. In my opinion, there's just a little bit of uncertainty. The market has been too bullish. You know, we've got this FUD from Elon Musk and rest of it, and we also have this being a distribution schematic of Wyckoff. Okay, let me just go here on Bitstamp and show you guys that, you know, you must have seen many YouTubers and analysts talking about this, and this has been spot on. You know, this has played out almost exactly, guys. This is what I'm talking about. The Wyckoff distribution schematic. If you see, you know, it's just been we have professional investors right now. So we do not need a blow off top. I've seen many people saying it hasn't been a blow off top. This is not the top. It could be the top, but now we've got institutions, we've got professional traders and investors investing in Bitcoin. Okay, and it has been an over $1 trillion market. Blow off tops is for chickens with no head. For retail investors, like in 2017, just following the pump and buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, and obviously the buying pressure just finishes because everybody thinks, wow, I've 5x'd, I've 10x'd my investment. And then retail investors are really, really greedy and start taking profits really, really fast. So clear blow off top from retail investors. But professional investors do this. They try to cheat you. Okay, they will dip the market and then you'll be buying and they'll be selling at the top once it breaks the high. Okay, every time it breaks the high, they sell. They are distributing what they bought right down over here, for example. They are professionals. They know what they're doing. So that's, they did this. Sorry, guys. They've been doing this right over here. Okay, so yeah, guys, the market will pick up though. It will pick up. So buy and hold, best strategy, guys. 284 viewers, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Okay, guys, I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and smash up the like button, guys. Come on. Is this anything got to do with Israel? No, I don't think so. Thank you. 198, thank you for your TA. Shorted Bitcoin and gained 100%, partly based on the 42k support level you gauge. Wow, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Really glad that you actually gained on this trade, because yeah, we were talking yesterday on yesterday's video. I was really bullish. Okay. And I was thinking, guys, we are in a descending wedge. We're having bullish divergence. If we break the resistance here from this descending wedge, very, very likely first top, $46,000. And then if we break this major resistance point, we'll be having a leg up here, guys, for sure, from a descending wedge, okay? It looked like that the bears were losing steam. But then you have this huge, massive sell-off, guys. Who's going to expect this? You cannot do technical analysis from a huge massive sell-off, bad news, or somebody like Elon Musk tweeting, it's gonna happen. There's no technicals that can gain fundamentals. So this is impossible. That's why no trading today, or maybe not tomorrow. We'll be doing some TA once the price starts going sideways, and potentially I've seen many people saying this as a dead cat bounce. But who knows? We might have a huge V correction right now over here. Major resistance point for me is the $38,000. So if we manage to get above this, it will be looking quite bullish. Because here in January, we can see that it has been major resistance, the $38,000. So yeah, if we manage to get above the $38,000, it's going to be looking a little bit bullish in the short term. But guys, this is just a massive sell-off, a lot of panic. People, haven't even realized yet, and they're going to panic sell in the next couple of hours. And maybe people are at work at the moment, and they're just going to come over and thinking, my God, Bitcoin's going to zero, or it's going to $20,000, or bear market has started. In my opinion, there is still, a little bit more sell-off to come. A lot of people still don't know that the Bitcoin price has crashed this much. Well, guys, 319 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let me go through the comment section. Let me just go quickly. Buy the dip. Absolutely. ANG. Buy the dip, guys. If you got to be here for the long term. If you're not a trader, buy the dip and hold until Bitcoin goes to hundreds of thousands of dollars, which will happen in the next coming years. Potentially months, but let's just, for the long term, mid-long term, buy the dip, guys. I think decentralized exchanges will regain momentum after these fiascos with centralized exchanges. What do you folks think? Absolutely. Mauricio, absolutely. This is going to happen. We are looking for a decentralized finance, okay, DeFi, and especially exchanges to buy assets or cryptocurrencies. So all these centralized exchanges can actually manipulate. They can close down, and in this sell-off, and only distribute to big investors. It has been this for a long time for stocks and everything. They just want to close down the exchanges and then think, oh, I'm going to sell off to these people that are going to give me millions. And guys, decentralized exchanges is the future. Decentralized everything. Because this can't happen. You want to buy more crypto, or you want to sell your crypto, and suddenly Binance, Coinbase, Kraken are struggling. They're collapsing all at the same time. And then you have potentially decentralized exchanges that are working, such as Uniswap, and decentralized is the future finance, guys. Absolutely. What do you think about Litecoin? Honestly, Litecoin, well, I was bullish on Litecoin a couple of days back. Let's just take a look quickly at Litecoin, guys. LTC USD. Yeah, guys, this is the structure that I was looking. If you're an old subscriber here from the channel, we were talking about Litecoin, in this huge channel. Sorry, guys. And I was like, look, guys, look how this is playing out nicely, And I was thinking, there will be a moment in a bull market, obviously, that we are, I like to think, we are going to break this resistance point and come out from this channel and create another structure going a little bit more parabolic. But we've broken to the downside, guys. Insane. I think Litecoin is a great project. It is the silver against Bitcoin, which is the gold. Litecoin will be here in the next coming years, and it will go over $1,000. It's just a matter of time. It is great to buy the dip here for Litecoin also. We are broken the structure here, but this is absolutely fine, guys. We need to break the structure sometimes, go to the downside, because then the market picks up, guys. Buying opportunities, especially these huge sell-offs. These huge sell-offs of 50, 60%, it's not going to drop 90% in a couple of days, guys. This is buying opportunities, in my opinion. The Bitcoin, Litecoin will pick up in the next coming days. Next coming months, sorry. Possible time frame for the reversal. Well, as I said before, we do not know when the reversal is going to come. This might be a dead cat bounce, okay? Right over here, and the price will come lower. A lot of newcomers into the space around this area, okay, that have bought Bitcoin at $40,000, at $50,000. Some of them still might be panic selling. The professionals are buying now, guys. They have sold already over here. They've distributed. Professional sellers have distributed. Tesla said he hasn't. Elon Musk said that Tesla hasn't sold all of their Bitcoin, only that 10%, which was a couple of weeks back. Do you think this is? Do you believe him? Do you think Tesla has sold or hasn't sold? Because Tesla bought just at $38,000, just where the price is right now. This over here in early February. Exactly on the 8th of February was when the news came out that Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin just over here. And we had this massive pump of $7,000, $8,000. And this is where people started buying big time. This is when we had this huge major pumps for a few weeks here in February. So isn't it funny now we're just hanging around these levels where Elon Musk bought? Who knows? He might have had a massive sell-off. Tesla might have sold all the Bitcoin, and this has had a chain reaction. Everybody panic selling, him selling all the Bitcoin from Tesla, massive drop, and now they're buying back in at lower prices. So what do you guys, let me know in the comment section, has Tesla sold the Bitcoin or not? Link looks awesome. Just touched 23 February low and 16 August high. Let's take a look at Chainlink. I am very bullish at Chainlink. Chainlink is 20% of my portfolio. I do believe that Chainlink will go to hundreds of dollars. Already at $32. I've seen it drop today to $19, $20. Absolutely insane. Insane, guys, this crash. You can see this also like an ascending wedge. You know, the target for Chainlink here could be the $10 from this ascending wedge. But no, guys, let's just think that Chainlink will pick up like the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Massive drop also for Chainlink. It's hitting the low here from February. Exactly, yeah. Molia. Exactly the low from February. You can see just there. Massive bounce. So yeah. Just a safe recovery, guys. I do think that we are at the middle of the bull run. This is just a massive sell-off. Scaring people away, guys. 400 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptos. Let me go quick through the comments, guys. Should I hold ETH? Hang on a second, guys. Let's take a look. The comments. I'm losing the comments, guys. I want to read through all of you, but it's a mission impossible to read through all the comments. Where was I? I don't want to lose any of you guys. Let's read through. Matic was pumping before this, before the drop. Yeah, let's take a look at Matic. Matic has had a huge recovery. Let's check out Matic on Binance USD. Wow, insane. Look at the recovery that Matic has had. Absolutely insane, guys. Wow. This is a clear sign that this has just been a massive sell-off. And the bull run is going to continue, in my opinion, guys. Matic has been staying really, really strong while the rest of cryptos were dropping for a little bit, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and some major altcoins. But look how, if Matic is having this recovery, in my opinion, bull run is not over yet, guys. Huge recovery. In less than a day, we've gone. This is billions of dollars. 57% drop. And yeah, it's got to be about a 50% pump. No, sorry. Over 100, obviously, yeah, 100% pump. So yeah, guys, this for me is a sign that the bull market is not over. Some major cryptos that have utilities such as Matic, scaling solution for Ethereum, having this major drop, panic sell. Professionals that are in the space, in the cryptocurrency space, know that this bull run is not over, guys. They are massively buying the dip, especially on scaling solutions for Ethereum, such as Matic. Matic was pumping before. Everyone expecting a parabolic blow off top. What do you think of this being the top and not being what everyone expected? Expect the unexpected. Yes, Match, this is what I was talking about, okay? If we take a look at, this doesn't have to be the top, but this is a professional top, I would like to say. This is the professional trader investor is going to scale out slowly off its position, because if an investor, professional trader, if the price goes like this, and all the professional investors want to sell here, and you place a market order, you know, all of your positions are not going to be sold at this price because you have billions of dollars. You are a professional trader, institutional trader. Institutional traders make the top look like this because they're scaling out of their position. They'll pump up the market, then you are going to FOMO in and they'll start selling off in the correction. They will start pumping the correction and you are going to buy in. and then they are going to do another top. Once they break the all-time high, they're going to start selling off again, but not too much. They're scaling out of the position. Then once it breaks up again, and then, you know, the price loses steam, this is a distribution phase. This is a professional, institutional traders top, okay, market top, a distribution phase. This right over here, I've said it before in the stream, you know, this is a chicken with no head. This is retail. This is 2017 retail, just like you and me. FOMO buying. We're going to the moon. Bitcoin's going to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And what you have is a lot of greedy people, and then people that have doubled their money, tripled their money, 10x their money in a short period of time, and thinking, right, that's it, I'm going to take lots of money out. And then we have this huge correction. So this is a retail top. Blow off top is retail top. And yeah, professional traders make the top like this. Distribution phase. They want to sell all of their money, not at once, by scaling out of their positions like this. Okay. I did take some of my profits up here, just above the $50,000 range, 55,000. I did change some of my Bitcoin and Ethereum to USDT, but not much. About 15% of my portfolio, because I've been buying up Bitcoin and Ethereum down when Bitcoin was underneath $10,000 and Ethereum underneath $200. So obviously, yes, a 10x is good. You know, I've been also playing with some different altcoins, a small percentage of my portfolio. So you obviously need to take profits, you know, especially, you know, I was taking some profits. I wish I would have taken, you know, 40% or 50% or all of it and buy the dip right over here. But this is unexpected, guys. Nobody was expecting a severe drop like this. So, guys, this is how the professionals do the top. Distribution schematic of Wyckoff. They want to trick you. They want to make you think, buy the dip. Always buy the dip. Always buy the dip. Always buy the dip while they're scaling out. You want to see the high. When you break the highs, you want to see a nice big pump. You want to see, you know, several thousands in this case, not breaking all-time highs by a little bit. Every time it is lower. Clear distribution, guys. Clear distribution. Accumulation is the same. Accumulation is the same. They want to trick you that the price will go lower, but the price isn't going lower actually. So yeah, guys. It might be the top for the next coming months and years. But if you're mid long-term investor, just think that Bitcoin will go to hundreds of thousands of dollars. You need to have obviously a target. Okay, say once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm going to sell 20% of my portfolio. If it hits $150,000, I'll sell 20%, the other 20% of my portfolio. So you need to have a scaling out solution strategy. Sorry, guys. But yes, a lot of people, we haven't had the blow off top yet. We haven't had the blow off top yet. Guys, we have professional. This is a $1 trillion, well, it was a $1 trillion market. We have professional institutions here with huge amounts of money. They know how to scale out of a market. They're not, like I said, you know, from blow off top, if you try and sell at the top of the market, in a market order, if you want to sell $5 billion, if you're an institutional investor, you want to scale out the position. You want to place limit orders, up and down, limit orders, and scale out at this price, you know, scaling out at $50,000, $60,000. Because if you try and sell all of it at $60,000, you're going to get some. You're going to get some at $60,000. You're going to get some at $55,000. You're going to get some at 50. You're going to have a massive drop. This huge red candle is going to be yours, just yours. And you're not going to sell all of your Bitcoin at 60. You'll be scaling out this way, you know, boom, 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 boom. So they're very smart, you know, professional traders, institutional with big money. They can manipulate the market. They're going to make you think that we are going to make higher highs and higher lows all the time. And they scale out, guys. This is how they scale out. The professionals do the Wyckoff distribution phase. So that's why this is a professional top and this is a chicken with no head top, retail investor top, blow off top. people that just throw money into the market and they do not know, they have no idea where this is going and what the market is going to do. And now we have big money in here. They know what they're doing with their money. Professional top. But in my opinion, this is not the top, guys. I think we are going to have a 2013 scenario, 2013, 2014 scenario, guys. All right, something like this. Huge correction, sideways action, because there is huge adoption coming in. You know, a lot of people are tired of the banks, of politics, you know, of governments, countries. They're tired. They want decentralized. They want to have their money. They want to be the owners of their wealth. And they are understanding that Bitcoin is the solution. But, you know, there's institutions also coming into the space, and they can move the market. They know how to make you think and scare you that this is very, very risky and volatile. Mid-long term, guys, Bitcoin's going to hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is not the end of the bull market, in my opinion, because of this, guys. The dollar index, the dollar value. I have some technical analysis here. We are hitting major support for the dollar index. We are hitting this major support. This is the weekly chart, okay, from all the way back to 1986. And the dollar value gained massively in 2014 and came shooting up in value in a few months. What I'm expecting now, this diamond reversal pattern, dollar value will be losing a lot of its current value in the next coming months. We're just having a pause now in the bull market. Once the dollar value loses, you want to put your money into gold. Gold is going up actually now. And I think gold has been doing pretty well. Gold US dollar. Yeah, gold has been going up for the last couple of weeks. It did have a nice correction. But look at gold, guys. Bitcoin has just, the institutions having, you know, panic. They are manipulating the market. In my opinion, the bull market is not over. Guys, dollar value will be losing in the next coming months. Guys, 500 viewers, make sure to smash up the like button. Smash up the like button. Let's go to 200 likes at least. 250 likes. Come on, guys. Sorry, there must be so many people commenting. And I'm gonna have to put a super chat because there's no way I'm gonna follow you through. Snapped up some more Chainlink and XLM. XLM at 0.23, Link at £15. Oh, in pounds. Absolutely, guys, a bargain. If you get Chainlink for $20, $29, $20, absolute bargain. I do think that Chainlink is going to be here in the near future. And it's going to cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. You do actually use Chainlink, okay, for the Oracle solution. And XLM on 23 pennies. Amazing. What's your thoughts on ICP? ICP. What is ICP? I'm not sure what this is. Let's just quickly go to CoinGecko. ICP, quick look at ICP. I've got someone in the comment. Internet computers. Oh yeah, internet computer, yeah. Even CoinGecko is struggling, guys. Even CoinGecko is saturated. I haven't looked into this project actually, but I will take a look. I've heard quite a few YouTubers talk about it. To the moon, movie after action. To the moon, absolutely. Dollar cost average, kids. If you want to bail, if you know what you're doing, do it. Yes, dollar cost average, guys. You are here. If you're a hodler, you're here for the mid-long term. Okay. Don't worry about this volatility. Bitcoin will do fine in the next coming months and years. What about BTT? BTT, BitTorrent, I guess this is. Yeah, guys, all of the market are having a huge correction. BitTorrent is a decent project, actually. I think it will do extremely well. But yeah, huge correction as well. Having a recovery, but not as well as Matic. I'm amazed on Matic. BTT has got a bright future. I remember I used to use BitTorrent to download videos, pirate videos. So yeah, this definitely got a utility. Matic, guys, absolutely insane. It might be dumping now, actually. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, well, no. Insane correction. Looking at the 4-hourly chart for Matic. Massive buying with hammer candle. It's been bought back up all the way to $1, back to $2. Insane. The bottom more likely, to the bottom more likely. Dimitris, to the bottom more likely. Is this the bottom? Well, who knows? It might be. It might be. We've hit $30,000, guys. $30,000. It might be by the bottom. Nobody was expecting a 55% correction. Everybody was talking about 30% correction. Yes, it's normal. 40% correction is normal in the bull market. We've had a 55% correction. Is this normal in the bull market? Well, yes, I do think so. If we take a look, like I said, 2013 bull market, we had, obviously there's no liquidity, there's, it's not the same, it is different, but I do think that lots of institutions are going to be buying up Bitcoin. 80% correction, so obviously it's not the same 2013 as now because of the liquidity, but I think this bull market will be more similar to 2013 and 14 than 2017. Dogecoin, yes, we've had a look at Dogecoin. I think, Dogecoin, US dollar, massive correction. It is picking up pretty well. All of them are getting bought back up. A lot of people now, a lot of retail investors are starting to understand that this, they're sick of the politics, the banks and everything, the system. They want decentralized finance. And, it's been bought back up again, guys. The institutions are trying to manipulate the market and they're probably losing power. Which is best coin to buy now? Well, guys, every time somebody asks me the best coin to buy is Bitcoin and Ethereum, obviously. They're the strongest. They're fundamentally, Bitcoin has been here for over a decade and it's got a super strong network. Obviously, you're not going to have such a big gains, but Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. When? I don't know. In my opinion, it's going to be before 2030, might be 2026. We might have a super cycle, and in 2022, Bitcoin will go to $1 million. There's going to be very severe problems in the world, and the dollar is going to devaluate immensely, and Bitcoin might go to $1 million by a year. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody expects so much upside on cryptocurrency, and then suddenly, expect the unexpected. So everybody's thinking, yeah, $400,000 Bitcoin by next year. I don't think that's possible, and we might go to 1 million. All depending on, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. So yeah. Awan Skatenbury, I hope I said your name right. Misa Bake, the answer is Litecoin. Cody Hedgehog, thanks, sir. I'm getting these scam comments already, guys. Be careful with the scams, guys. Don't go to any Telegram or WhatsApp. Don't send money to anyone, guys. I'm getting them in the comment section already. Think about it. You bought some digit on a screen. Doesn't make much sense. Which coin is best to buy now? Yes. Oh, sorry, I've gone through. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most solids to buy now, guys. They're the most solid coins. I like Chainlink. I do think Chainlink is going to be here in the next coming years and will go to hundreds of dollars. But my target for Chainlink, my conservative target for Chainlink is $150. I am not selling any of my Chainlink until $150. And it might not be in this cycle, but anyway, guys. I'm a mid-long-term investor for Chainlink. I do believe in the team and the project. What are you expecting for the low for the 2021 if we're going by the 2013 level? Well, very, very good question. Match 3 King. Very good question, because we had an 80% correction in 2013, and obviously the market cycles are not the same, so we do not need to have a 80% correction. If we did have an 80% correction here for Bitcoin from the high all the way to the low, we could go as low as $12,000, okay, $13,000. I don't think we will go this low. A lot of people in the space, a lot of people tired of the current situation worldwide, governments, the system, and a lot of people understand Bitcoin now, not like in 2017, which was highly speculative. It is still highly speculative, but people are getting tired of the actual system, and they know that Bitcoin is going to be here for the near future. And now it's just a great buying opportunity. People understand that you need to buy the dips, and this is a massive dip, so you need to buy. Litecoin is, let me go just through the comment section. Cardano is going to leak, bro. Cardano has done a massive drop. Cardano is insane because it hasn't got an actual working project. Smart contracts are not even working on Cardano just yet. So I think they've overdone it with, promises and marketing kind of thing. If I had a trade in Cardano, and I closed it at $2.05, and it went to $2.40. And me as a trader, you always think, oh, I should have left the trade open, but no, you need to have some targets on a trade. My trade was this one. If you're an old subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. I was talking about this trade over here, this ascending triangle. And from the breakout, I showed you the trade. I did massive gains. And the target was from the back here, from the ascending triangle, all the way from the breakout, all the way to $2, $2.05. I exited here, and then the Cardano price was pumping. Sorry, it's still pumping. Okay. And I was like, oh, I would have made more profits. No, you hit the target, you took your profits. If that trade still would have been open, I wouldn't have made less gains. I would have got liquidated. So, yeah, guys, I'm not sure about Cardano. They just haven't got a working product just yet. Should I hold ETH or so you suggest Litecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin? They're OGs. They are going to be here. They're very solid. So Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, even Chainlink. I think Chainlink is a little bit more speculative, but I do believe on their project, and it's going to have the Oracle is very much needed on the crypto space. So very heavily invested into Chainlink. Can you check Litecoin? Litecoin is going to save all of us. Yes, Litecoin. Let's check out Litecoin, guys. LTC, US dollar. I've checked Litecoin, and Litecoin will have a nice correction, guys. A nice buying up. As you can see here, we were talking about this channel, huge channel breaking to the upside. But obviously nobody was expecting this massive sell-off, guys. Buy the dip here for the long term. Litecoin will be here in the next coming years. Litecoin is an OG. It is the silver against Bitcoin. So yeah, guys. ADA back up soon. Well, yeah, I've given you my opinion on ADA. They haven't got an actual working product, guys. So very speculative. ADA is very speculative, and it has done over 100x since the COVID crash. ADA was in March of 2020 at 2 cents, okay? And it's gone over $2, over 100x. A lot of people been accumulating and buying ADA for the last few months, taking massive profits also. The whole entire crypto industry, really. People take profits, and that's why we have these huge, massive sell-offs. But anyway, I've been reading also and looking at the data that most of the sell-off is retail investor that has been coming in for the last couple of months. So it's newcomers into the space. Strong holders that have been in the Bitcoin space over a year are holding their Bitcoin. What about Atom? Let's take a look at Atom. Atom from Wasim. Let's take a look at Atom US dollar. I don't have any Atom in my portfolio. Wow, massive crash here on Atom. It seems like I did some TA here for Atom. It has its own blockchain, right? This is its own blockchain, Cosmos, right? We actually broke out from here and almost met the target here from this breakout. But anyway, guys, this is just a massive sell-off. There's no technical analysis that is valid on a sell-off like this. Panic sell, you know, no TA is valid. This is just a huge, massive sell-off. We need the market to cool off for a few days, and then we'll do some technical analysis, look for some trading opportunities. Because I has been the most dependable crypto, and it does not fall and hard but rises faster than BTC. Because what is that crypto? Because US dollar. XLC is good if you get in at $3. Coinbase screwed me out of that position. It's a long time since I haven't used Coinbase. I usually use Binance, Kraken, Coinbase. You know, they're absolute scammers in my opinion, because you know the fees are insane and the service, in my opinion, is bad. Can you imagine how much profit for Litecoin is just by buying the dip? The price go back to January 7th. I remember that day. And it'll rise 1,000. Ivan Petrov, start buy cheap crypto. Start buy cheap crypto, guys. Yes, buy the dip. Okay, not financial advice, but I did buy some of this dip because I had some spare USDT. And I bought the dip on Binance. Binance is working all right. It has been anyway for a few hours back. Should I buy Doge? If so, when? I have never bought Doge, and I never will. I think. You know, it's an inflationary token, but it has had a massive recovery, guys. Insane the recovery that Doge has had. Incredible. Don't panic, guys, from this huge sell-off. Lots of people have been sending their crypto on exchanges, I bet, wanting to sell their crypto. That's why this has a chain reaction, guys. Do not sell. Don't panic sell at these prices. Just let the market recover slowly. Bought Matic at 0.78. I'm still good. Wow. Great. Even though with this huge dip, you haven't gone negative on Matic. It's gone down to $1.05, so already at $2. Massive recovery for Matic. This shows me that the bull market is not over. Look at Dogecoin also, massive recovery. Guys, 455 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys. 186 likes. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis videos on Bitcoin and crypto. Yeah, thank you, Bantlu Viking. Hello, everyone. Please show support and hit the like button. Absolutely, guys. Please make sure to smash up the like button. 189 likes. Let's try and hit 250 likes, guys. I would hodl NFA. NFA, what is that? Ian Mondragon. NFA? Oh, no, it's probably not a crypto. Are we in the bottom in? Are we bottom in? Well, maybe, guys. Maybe. We might have a huge, massive, pump now. Maybe sideways action and start pumping. Who knows, guys? This could be the bottom, $30,000. Who knows? Because when we have this massive sell-off, okay, usually 40, 50, 60, well, not 40, but 50% correction, 60% correction, you know, it is usually the bottom when once we have these huge, massive sell-offs. This is COVID right over here. Okay. Massive sell-off, and it just takes hours. It just takes hours from here. Then sideways, recovery, dead cat bounce, we come back down, but afterwards, look. Sideways and to the upside. This might happen now for Bitcoin also. We've had the sell-off. This has been a massive sell-off right over here. Over 60% correction, COVID. Now, over 55% correction, massive sell-off. What happens after a huge, massive sell-off? The market starts to recover. Bear markets don't start off with a massive sell-off like this also, guys. So I do not think this is the start of a bear market. Just nice, huge, healthy correction. A bit too fast. Okay. But market will start to recover, guys. I'm looking at a 2013, 2014 scenario for Bitcoin. Should I sell my Shiba coin? How is Shiba doing anyway? Let's take a look at Shiba coin. I don't like looking at these. I don't like the meme coins, guys. Highly speculative. This is just pump and dump coins. You know. I do respect them though. If you Shiba, well, Shiba, yeah, it has had a drop. It is recovering, I guess. I guess the meme coins recover with if Dogecoin recovers, other meme coins recover. Should I sell my SHIB? Well, I am not invested in SHIB. I prefer, you know, more stable coins. You know, somebody saying Matic also. Matic is a great project. Matic might go to $10. Very solid. It is a scaling working solution for Ethereum. Matic is super solid. Super solid Matic. You know, congratulations if you caught this dip. Very hard. I haven't got any Matic myself. I know it's a great project. And it's got the scaling solution that is working. So yeah, look at this. And this might be going to $10, guys. Easily. The millionaire are the ones that hodl through market manipulation. Yes, absolutely, guys. Especially something like Bitcoin. Just hold on tight, Ian. Hodl Litecoin. Litecoin also. I am bullish mid-long term for Litecoin. Everything has been fucked up because of FUD. Yes, guys, but this might just be a huge wick and it's going to be bought back up again. Okay. Don't think that the market, yes, we have broken the uptrend, okay? We'll go to the daily chart. But this was also needed, guys. This is also needed. Look at this correction right over here. COVID. Look how the market recovered, you know, this is very healthy. We've had a massive correction right now. You know, the market might do this, okay? Very, very possible, guys. Make sure to take advantage of these dips, not financial advice. Everything has been fucked because of the FUD. Yes, no, I don't think so, guys. This is just, you know, a healthy correction in my opinion. Massive sell-off. Get the weak hands out of the way. Start buying some Bitcoin and other crypto for the mid-long term. If you don't mind, can you please look into Red? Red coin. Let's take a quick look at Red. I'm going to go quick, guys, through the comment section. Red against Tether, for example, or Red USD here on Bitrex. Well, I mean, it's hard to do some technical analysis. It seems like there's not too much volume here on Red. Let's see if CoinGecko is working. CoinGecko is saturated. Also, guys. Oh, yeah. I think you're talking about Redcoin, right? Redcoin. I mean, very hard to do some technical analysis here. Let's go to Redcoin USDT. Has been pumping since 2021, so it hasn't been recovering from this crash very well. So people push the like for legend. Yes guys, make sure to smash up the like button. 450 viewers, let's smash up the like button all the way to 300 likes guys. You'll be helping out the algorithm. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. I have 40 in SHIB, so no big deal if it crashes. Well, yeah guys, yeah, humble servant. Yeah, don't worry, you can hold a bit of SHIB, you know, who knows, that might do a 10x. XRP, let's take a look at XRP. I got liquidated from an XRP position, guys. XRP actually, I think it might be getting back into this symmetrical triangle. And yes, you know, if this is not the end of the bull run, we might get him back to the triangle and then pumping to the upside. Also, this might be a kind of huge double bottom. Okay, if we get this as, but it's very difficult, guys. You know, very difficult because it's very hard to do technical analysis on a massive sell-off like this. But we can clearly see here on the 4-hourly chart here for XRP. You know, we got this support level. You know, we had the price, you know, pumping here and having a retracement and getting a bounce. Also here, as you can see, and now we've had another one here. So are we making a huge double bottom here? Potentially, possibly. I don't like to do technical analysis on top of a massive sell-off. But if this would be a double bottom scenario, you know, if this is not the end of the bull run and everything is going to recover nicely, this is a double bottom scenario, you know, from the breakout of this resistance area. We could arguably discuss that the price of XRP will be going to the $2.60. I did trade this breakout and I was very aggressive. I know I was, you know, it was dangerous. There was a lot of uncertainty in the market. And I did mention, guys, and I usually say we like to trade a breakout. When we break out, decent amount of volume, and once we retrace and come back up and break the high from the breakout, then this is confirmed. This is a confirmed breakout, because usually we sometimes have wicks. Look how many times here we came below here. You have a wick, then come back in, a wick, come back in, a wick here, come back in. We want to see a breakout, bounce, and then break the high from the breakout there, guys. This is the ideal way how to trade. This gives you a higher percentage that your trade is going to go well. And I entered here aggressively and I got exterminated. I got stopped out here. But anyway, a small percentage of the portfolio that I got for trading. It is what it is, guys. So it is absolutely fine. So, whoops, just Ethereum USD here. Yeah, guys. Just a massive sell-off. We need to see what's going to happen in the next coming hours and days. You know, in my next video, I'll be showing you some potential trading opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Litecoin, Link, Bitcoin Cash. But guys, Ethereum is still going to be here. It's a great crypto. A lot of developers developing on top of Ethereum. So yes, Ethereum, I think, will go on, above $10,000, definitely. But the question is when. Same for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going over $100,000. Question is when. HODL, guys. Yes, Ian, HODL. HODL, guys. Buy and HODL. Best strategy ever. I've been scooping up Bitcoin since 2018, 2019, 2020. buying and holding, buying and holding. The Corona dump, you know, I was down over 50% of my portfolio, and I even bought more. So guys, this is just for buying opportunities. Don't be scared. Don't panic sell if you're new here into the market. Couldn't exchange are crashing. Couldn't exchange. The exchange is crashing the market. Maybe they could have a part of the manipulation on crashing the market. Does China market will have extended sell-off? Yes, obviously the China FUD also, guys. We've seen this before. Well, if you're new to the space, you haven't. But since I'm in the space, I've seen about 4 or 5 times this China FUD, China banning crypto, also India. Banning Bitcoin. You cannot ban something that is decentralized. You can actually you can cover your IP on your mobile, on your computer, and you can have access anywhere in the world to something that is decentralized. This is just FUD, guys. The more you try to ban something, the more it's going to gain value, because the governments, the banks are scared of this. It's the same FUD as always. I've seen this FUD happen so many times. China banning crypto never works out. You cannot ban something that is decentralized. They do not have any control on top of Bitcoin. Cardano is still holding strong. Incoming smart contract soon. Yes, Cardano is just a promise, guys. If we are entering the bear market, Cardano is going to get hit very strong. But if it does work out, the smart contracts comes out, everything starts working on Cardano, because they haven't got a working product just yet. Yes, it will go to $10, but it's still just a promise, guys. Cardano is still just a promise. Hit the like, guys. 226 likes. Let's get to 250 likes at least, guys. Thank you very much for your support. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. If you are interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the Femix bonus, okay? We've got an insane bonus on Femix. Everything looks like it's just collapsing and struggling because of this crash. Does China market will have extended sell-off? I just started trading 300 to 120 in 10 minutes. Was that a loss thing? Humble Severant. I just started trading 300 to 120 in 10 minutes. Yeah, guys, be careful. I'm not doing much technical analysis because we are in panic sell mode. Okay. No trading opportunities. I do not trade when the market is like this. I want to wait for the price to consolidate, form some nice patterns. Everybody is in panic mode. Let's take a look at the, this is very curious. Is it the fear and greed index for crypto? It's not here. Crypto fear and greed index right over here. Let's take a look at this. I bet we are hitting COVID levels. Fear and greed index is at 23. Extreme fear. Yesterday at 21. Well, I think by looking at tomorrow, is going to be less than 20. Extreme fear, guys. Let's take a look here. Extreme fear and greed index. We are at extreme fear now. We haven't hit these levels since April, since COVID. Okay. So we've never hit this level. No, we haven't hit these levels of fear since April, since March, April. Over a year, guys. What happened? Oh, look. Then greed comes in, guys. What happens after extreme fear? Greed. So, buying opportunity, guys. Buying opportunity. Buy and hold for the long run. They want us to sell off our positions. Yes, Ian, exactly. They want you to sell your crypto. Institutions want to buy in cheap crypto. I am not scared when we have this. Don't be scared, guys, of these massive sell-off. This is clear manipulation, all right? They're trying to scare you off crypto. Don't sell, guys, at these levels. Don't. Just hold on. Hold on. If we come lower, hold on, guys. The market will recover. Something special like Bitcoin and other cryptos that have a working product. Hold on, guys. This is not the end. This is not the bear market. Just hold on. How about BNB? BNB's gone down below $400, hasn't it? BNB US dollar. Wow. $290 for BNB. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Yeah, BNB will be going to over $1,000 in my opinion. But it has got that's been a massive hit for BNB. From the top all the way to the down here, 58% correction. Something like Bitcoin, a little bit more. Massive correction for BNB. I am not a BNB investor. I do not hold any BNB. I did buy some for transaction fees, and because I was in an automatic bot platform. I was just playing with the Krill. I'm not sure if you know Krill, but I was using BNB for fees, and I remember buying BNB in 2019 for $13-15. Who would have imagined BNB growing this much also? Elon, both me and Benz, Cardano is going to leak. They want us to sell our positions. How about BNB? Will EOS recover? Well, EOS, let's take a look at the EOS chart. I do not hold any EOS. Massive sell-off here for EOS as well. All the crypto market will recover, guys. Massive sell-off here for EOS. From the top all the way to the bottom, 70%. Absolutely insane. Insane, guys. Suicide watch for many. Yes, they want us to sell the Bitcoin. Yes, guys, they are manipulating. They want to get cheap Bitcoin, okay? So they're just having a massive coordinated sell-off. So yeah, guys, just hold on tight. You do not want to sell at these levels. You do not want to sell at these levels, guys. Just hold on tight. For a beginner like me, what's happening now is very scary. I just started last April and holding since that month, and now don't know what to do. J Rico, don't worry, okay, guys. This is just a panic sell, okay? They want to get your Bitcoin and buy it cheaper. Don't panic. This is not the moment to sell. You do not want to sell at these levels, guys. Just hold on. EOS will recover. Yes, Nitesh, EOS will recover. Like every other cryptos, okay? We do not know to what levels. But obviously, you know, if the Bitcoin and other altcoins start to recover, most of them will. So, and EOS also. EOS has been here for years. I would hold off on buying for a day just to see if there's any more BS. Yes, Ian, exactly. That's why I'm saying, guys, this may be not the bottom, guys. We may be having a dead cat bounce scenario right over here. Let's just go to the BTC USD here on Bybit, the chart that I'm using. We could have a dead cat bounce scenario. Okay, there's a lot of buying pressure, a lot of people buying, but this might be a dead cat bounce scenario. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. There is a lot of buying pressure though, looking at the 15-minute chart. But usually when this happens, guys, this is a dead cat bounce scenario, will be coming down to lower levels here. And then potentially going sideways or having the recovery. So yeah, usually this is what happens. We might have another leg down to do a double bottom kind of scenario. The selling pressure might fizzle out here. I do not think, you know, there's going to be enough selling pressure to break the $30,000. Okay, this is just bots and huge panic selling. And this recovery, I don't think there's going to be enough selling pressure to go to the $25,000 Bitcoin. I think we're just going to have, the dead cat bounce scenario and create a double bottom scenario. Selling pressure is going to end, and then we'll start recovering. This is what I think is going to happen. Let's just wait and see, and potentially find some trading opportunities. Guys, 372 viewers. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe if you're new here, because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptos. Okay, daily videos on TA and giving you my opinion on the market. Obviously now is very difficult, massive sell-off. There's no technical analysis here to be done. We just need to wait for the price to consolidate sideways. Do not sell now. Yes, Owan is saying not sell now. You do not sell at this moment. Yes, we could come lower. Well, don't sell. Just hold on, guys. Bitcoin has had a great history that it's going to recover. It's a decentralized internet gold, guys. Don't sell, calm down. RTX. Exactly. Do not panic sell. What do you think about Dogecoin? When should I buy, or should I even buy? I do not buy, David. I do not buy, never bought Dogecoin, and I think I never will. Also, I don't buy a Shiba. So, yeah, guys. Elon tweeted. Has Elon tweeted right now? Let's check out Twitter. Let's check out Twitter. Elon Musk. Let's see if Elon Musk has posted a tweet, guys. Tesla has diamond hands. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Tesla has diamond hands. Is he talking about Bitcoin here, do you think? Credit to our master of coin. Did you go, I think, nothing, 23 minutes. Accelerate. Did you go Berlin supplies, please, but accelerate. Guys, I think he is, he's talking about, must be referring to Bitcoin. Tesla has diamond hands. What do you guys think? Is this because of Dogecoin? He's holding his Dogecoin? No, I think... does Tesla have Dogecoin? Probably has. I think this has got to do with the Bitcoin, guys. Tesla has diamond hands. Posted 1 hour ago. So this might be turning the market bullish at the moment. We might have a massive bounce just because of this tweet. Look how many people are sharing this. 52,000 people already retweeting this. Tesla has diamond hands. This is going to have a massive chain reaction, and we might see Bitcoin having massive pump. IOTA or OMG, please. Let's have a quick look at IOTA on this chart, for example. IOTA USD. Yeah, guys, just recovering, massive crash. IOTA with its own blockchain, pretty bullish. It is an OG. It has been in the space for quite some time right now. Guys, don't panic. Look what happened here also for IOTA. COVID, crash, massive sell-off. Massive sell-off. What happens afterwards of massive sell-off? This, guys. This. Bear markets don't usually start off with a huge massive sell-off and a round top like this, guys. I could be wrong, but I would stay calm. Bitcoin for the long run, guys. Stay calm. Don't sell. It's not time to sell. It is time to buy. And just dollar cost average. You can sell. You can buy a bit more now, and then if it comes, the market comes lower, you can dollar cost average buy a little bit more. Every time it goes lower. This is what I've been doing. I've been dollar cost averaging since 2018. Made massive gains. I haven't taken as much profits as I should have. Okay, I was already at 50k, 60k out of. I changed about 50% of my portfolio in USDT, and I will be buying some now. Obviously this dip, I will be buying this dip, obviously. No, Tesla is keeping. Yeah, exactly. It looks like Mauricio, thank you, Andy, for sharing your time and wisdom. Thank you very much, Mauricio. Absolutely, I appreciate you guys also for the support. Litecoin and Polkadot. Yeah, Litecoin, Polkadot. Let's see Polkadot. Let's have a quick look at Polkadot. Let's see how Polkadot has been coping with this crash. Looks like I've been doing some TA here, putting my lines and support levels in the past. Wow, Polkadot going down to the $16. Insane, guys. Being at $50 just a couple of days back. Huge crash all the way down to $16. Insane. Almost a 70% correction. Guys, this could be history for Bitcoin, okay, and other cryptos. You know, Bitcoin in a bull market has done a 55% correction in 2021 before reaching over $100,000. You know, we do not, a lot of people look at, we haven't done a blow off top, you know, it is normal to have a 30% correction, 40% correction. Does this mean we are entering a bear market if we have a 55% correction? No, guys. This could make history. You know, 2021 Bitcoin did a 55% correction in the middle of a bear market. So don't freak out, guys. Expect the unexpected. A lot of people expecting that we are in a bull market now. Most of the times people are wrong. So yeah, guys, clear manipulation. I am staying bullish on Bitcoin, especially because of this chart, guys. The dollar index will be losing value in the next coming months. Diamond reversal pattern, fundamentals, huge money printing, dollar index is going down, and when the dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up, gold goes up. Just look at the BU sell ratio. What you think about Reef? Yes, Reef is a great project. I'm bullish in Reef. Let's check out Reef, see it on the chart, see if it's having a good bounce. Reef US dollar. Let's check out another chart here. We've got more on FTX. No. I guess on Binance. Yeah, Reef is just having a correction and it's getting bought back up. So yeah, guys, I am bullish on Reef, so definitely worth a hold. A good DeFi project Reef is. No one should believe a word of Elon. Elon says lost all credibility. Absolutely, guys. Don't usually because he's got a huge community. You shouldn't, you know, take any notice of what Elon Musk says. He said Tesla has diamond hands now. You know what? He's going to come out with a tweet in a couple of days saying, yes, we've sold all of our Bitcoin. You know, who knows? He's been turning bullish and then bearish, then buying and then saying that, you know, it just wasted a huge amount of energy when he's, you know, Tesla, you know, the electric cars, you know, SpaceX with the, you know, does he go with electric rockets? Even though to build a rocket, you know, the amount of fossil fuel that uses, just ridiculous, guys. How he's scaring the people. Anyway, Elon Musk might be, you know, sheep. You know, he's probably he's been told to say this. So who knows? Who knows, guys? 250 likes, guys. Massive thank you. Guys, thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. Tesla has diamond hands. Yes. Insane. No one should believe Elon Musk. No. 2 words, wealth transfer. Absolutely, guys. Luke, you're absolutely correct. Wealth transfer. We are living the wealth transfer and it's going to be a bumpy road, okay? They will manipulate the market. They will manipulate Bitcoin and scare you away, okay? A lot of people that must have bought at $40,000, $50,000 in February and March have sold some of their Bitcoin. Lot of them, guys. Panic selling. What do you think about Reef? Yeah, Reef. I'm extremely bullish on Reef. Great project. Just joined the chat. I've been listening for about 10 minutes now. Did you cover XRP with the court hearing rounding the corner and coming to an end? I feel the XRP value is going to go up. Absolutely. I entered a trade on XRP. I think they will win the court case. And XRP will be going all the way to its all-time highs at $3.30 if I'm not wrong. But yes, you know, if you watch one of my last videos, I was in an XRP trade and I got exterminated. Whoever was long in the market, you know, between yesterday and today has got crushed, guys. Obviously, this is not affecting me too much because I usually trade with 2-3% of my portfolio, which is absolutely fine. And I wasn't expecting this massive sell-off. I was saying, guys, you know, your stop loss needs to be behind this support level. You know, if you enter a trade here, you wait for the breakout or pullback. You want some volume also on the breakout. And then once you break the high here from the breakout, you enter the trade. It gives you more confidence on the trade. Your stop loss needs to be behind this support level. Even though you put your stop loss here behind this higher low here. Yeah, guys, really dangerous. That's why you need to have your stop loss. And don't have a stop loss and your liquidation price really far away. It doesn't matter. You know, the market will exterminate you. He is keeping it. Yeah, Tesla is keeping Bitcoin. You know, I'm not sure if it's true or not. Who knows, guys? Tesla, I mean, Elon Musk might come on a tweet tomorrow and say he sold his Bitcoin. XRP, Reef, yes, I'm bullish on Reef. Tesla, Diamond Hands, yes, Tesla tweeted to HODL. Diamond Hands means they're keeping their stocks till their bitter end. I think Tesla is also a lot of people, a lot of analysts are thinking that their stocks are going to crash. And Tesla obviously has been extremely overbought for the last year and two. Remember Tesla being just underneath $50, you know, their stock. And it went up to $700, $900, even $1,000. Let's check out Tesla stock. Tesla Inc. Yeah, guys, Tesla, you know, stocks are having a massive correction too. But look at Tesla. Insane. Whoop. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, so in late 2019, $45. So just under 2 years. Yeah, it's almost done a 10x. Extremely overbought Tesla. I'm not sure if their revenue is really high. They're gaining a lot with the electrical cars but yeah, this stock needs a correction. I think and obviously stocks that hold Bitcoin at the beginning and maybe at mid-long term as well are going to gain value because they hold Bitcoin. But yeah, it looks like it's losing steam here. Tesla stocks, it's hitting massive support now. Probably creating like a descending triangle here. Tesla stock. XRP, thoughts on VET? Yes, I am. I have VET actually. VET is about 10% of my portfolio. I think VET has had a massive crash. Massive recovery though for VET. So yeah, guys, just a massive sell-off. I do believe in the VET project. I do think it will have utility, you know, tracking different products and on the blockchain. So I'm bullish on VET. Just had a massive sell-off like everything, guys. Hold on tight. Just hold on tight. Any thoughts on VET and Theta? Yeah, Theta also. Theta USD. Wow, Theta's gone all the way down to $3.70. Wow. Extremely bullish on Theta, guys. Theta's having massive partnerships, decentralized streaming. It's absolutely amazing project. I see Theta going above $20 easily. Easily Theta above $20 in the next coming months. Maybe potentially not this year, maybe the start of 2022. If we do enter a bear market, everything's going to struggle. But Theta's gone, from 15 cents, all the way down here last year. It has been one of the first cryptos, okay, to have these massive pumps. And it's just been going sideways for a couple of months, which is fine, just consolidating, just a little sell-off now. It's fine, guys. Theta is a great project, definitely worth investing. It could go to, tens of dollars, potentially $50, $80 in the near future. Definitely $20. VeChain, extremely bullish on VeChain as well. Supply chain industry, is very important in my opinion. Shiba Inu, not bullish on Shiba. It might do a 10x from here, who knows, guys. Buy the dip. Yes, guys, buy the dip. Thoughts on Solana, right? Yeah, Sol has done extremely well, I think. Sol USD. Sol hasn't had a massive dip because we are just above $50. Yeah, to $30. Well, yeah, it has been almost a 50% correction, I think. Yeah. Almost a 50% correction, but it's doing extremely well. Nice recovery, guys. Look at the long term here since early 20, just in 5 months chart, okay? And look at this sell-off here for Solana. Insane. This is nothing, guys. This is nothing. Look at the growth that this has had, this blockchain Solana, and look at this sell-off. It's nothing, guys. Stay calm. This is clear manipulation. They want to scare you out of your crypto. Crypto is the revolution of finance. To which price BTC can go down in your opinion? BTC, sorry guys, I might be skipping some of the comments. I'll have to be putting a super chat soon. But I think BTC can come as low as, $28,000 maximum. Who knows? It can come as low as $20,000. Who knows if this is the start of a bear market? I don't think institutions have that much crypto and power on Bitcoin to crash the market below $20,000, in my opinion. Should I buy Doge? Will hit $1 soon, guys. I mean, Doge might hit $1 because everybody's aiming for $1. So I think this target will be met for $1 Dogecoin. It is, TikTok and, has a huge community now, and everybody's aiming $1. So maybe not, it won't reach $1, but it will go to 95 cents. Everybody will start selling there. It's very difficult. Once you have a target for a price, it is hard to reach, and it has a massive barrier. So it maybe won't hit $1, guys, because a lot of people will be selling at 99 cents, 98 cents. I'm not bullish on Doge, guys. Just pure speculation, and it's an inflationary coin. So no Doge for me, thanks. Is it good time to buy VET, or should I wait until BTC make a correction again? I mean, it is, if you are mid long term hodler, you can buy VET, at this price. I know a lot of people are expecting $1 VeChain in the next coming years for the future. So VeChain is a decent project. I think VeChain will do well. To which price BTC can go? Tell about BTT. Thoughts on XVS. Let's take a look at XVS. BitTorrent also. BitTorrent is a good project. I think will do well. I think everything is just overhyped though, guys, for the moment. It's just been a little bit too bullish, especially altcoins. We've had an altcoin season. Even though if you haven't done 50x or 40x or 10x, a lot of people had. The price have gone up too much. So this cool off, this huge sell off is healthy for the market. Start buying up, guys. XVS, let's take a look at XVS. I'm just going to look at two different cryptos, guys. I've been here for over 2 hours now, so I'll be finishing off the stream soon. XVS US dollar. Yeah, I mean, just a massive sell-off. I don't know the project, XVS. We can have a quick look at what XVS is. CoinGecko. XVS. Venus. I'm not familiar with this project, but by looking at the chart, just a massive sell-off. Everything's been going up since January. If you look at the crypto charts since early 2021, they've all had this massive pump. 90% of the cryptos sell off now, so they're all following Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, the crashes are higher also. I'm not too familiar, but anyway, this is just a correction, and it will pick up, guys. Sideways action and going to the upside. Do not panic sell your Bitcoin and crypto. Orion Protocol, Safe Moon. Let's take a look at Safe Moon. Safe Moon. Safe Moon USD. What is the ticker for Safe Moon? Safe, is it? Just a quick look on Safe Moon, guys, before I leave. Make sure to smash up the like buttons, guys, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. Make sure to take advantage on the FEMIX bonus, guys, that there is now if you are interested in trading, and you'll be helping out the channel, okay? Make sure to check out the bonus. $2,000, $2,200 if you use my link in the description. The ticker symbol for Safe Moon. Safe Moon, it's not on TradingView here. Safe Moon. Only on Wrapped Ether. But yeah, guys. No, Safe Moon. I'm not bullish on Safe Moon. Will it do well? Yes, probably will. Moby, can't be the future. What software do you use to see market on crypto? Thank you. This is TradingView. If you are referring to the charts, this is TradingView, guys. TradingView is the platform that I use to check out the charts. Cool show. Current time, which coin buy? Guys, when people ask me what coins should they buy, I mean Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're going to be here for the long run. You might not do a 50x on it, but you know you can do a 10x with Bitcoin. You know, if it does go to $300,000 in the next coming years, maybe not this year. But just be patient, okay? You can do a 10x on your Bitcoin in the future. Potentially a 20x. Bitcoin will go to $1 million before 2030, in my opinion, you know. Especially with the market conditions, you know, governments, you know, everything's getting tired. Everybody is getting tired of the current system. So Bitcoin will be here in the next coming years, potentially going over $1 million. So that's already a 20x from here. Over a 20x. So just buy and hold. Everybody wants to get rich this year or next year. By 1 year, no, guys. Polkadot, bro, please show Matic. Polkadot, ... Yes. I want to buy cryptocurrency now. Which one will have the best? Crypto, guys, the best cryptos. I mean, I'm bullish on Chainlink in the long term. VeChain, I like the project. Bitcoin, Ethereum. You want to buy the strong, solid projects, okay? If you want to buy a different blockchain, you can speculate on Cardano. I do not hold any Cardano because, you know, they've been, you know, they're always struggling with time and bringing the product, the smart contracts out. So it's just a promise at the moment. But Chainlink is one of my best, one of my biggest holdings. I do believe that Chainlink has got a bright future. Guys, let's take a look at Polkadot and Matic, okay? Polkadot has had a massive correction. US dollar. Massive correction, but picking up now, guys. No worries. Polkadot will be doing just fine. It's just had a massive sell-off like everything. Matic has had a massive bounce. Massive bounce for Matic. So yeah, guys, let's just wait a couple of hours, and tomorrow I'll be doing some technical analysis once everything is cooled off. All right, I'll be doing another live stream on Friday. I'll be telling you tomorrow at what time and if the live stream is going to be done. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily technical analysis. Make sure to take advantage of the bonuses that I got down below, and you'll be helping out the channel, guys. This is it, guys. Ever heard of Crow? Any opinions on it? Yeah, Crow is from cryptocurrency.com. I think it will do well. They've got a great exchange platform application on the mobile. So yeah, it'll be doing well. Can we talk about Cardano and Polygon? Yes, Cardano, guys. Yeah, I've talked about Cardano having a massive crash, also getting a good bounce. Cardano is just promises. They're getting the smart contract on in July. Let's see if this is going to work out. I think we're not entering a bear market, guys. Hang on tight to your cryptos. Start buying, guys. Cardano is the crypto of the future. Yes, maybe Cardano is just a promise, but it is maybe the crypto of the future. Who knows? Let's see how it develops in the summer. Smart contracts. Guys, massive thank you for coming around. I'll be doing another live stream potentially on Friday. I'll be letting you know tomorrow. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin Census website, guys. We've got a great website here. We've got the latest articles. We've got price predictions, exchange reviews, the latest technical analysis. Here you can see the exchanges with the best bonuses, all right? And the fees also comparison. So make sure to check out the website, guys. There's great information, especially if you're new to crypto. So the link is in the description of the Bitcoin Census website. Massive thank you, guys, for tuning in. Let's just take a look at Origin Protocol. Origin Protocol. Origin Protocol. Origin Protocol. Last one, guys. Sorry, we'll be doing a live stream soon. What's the ticker symbol for Origin? Origin Protocol OGN. Just a quick look at OGN, guys, before I leave. OGN US dollar. This is a great project, but yes, like everything, massive sell-off. Let's take a look at the daily chart. And yes, it is struggling to pick up. It's had a massive sell-off. Got to be careful with these mid-cap projects because they get a massive hit and they take longer to recover. Whoops. So from this high to this low, over an 85% correction, guys. Wow. But yeah, I think Origin Protocol is a good project. I think I've heard it before. I've had many YouTubers and analysts talk about Origin. So yeah, bullish on this. If everything recovers, you know, we're not entered a bear market, this will recover nicely. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll be doing a live stream, I think, on Friday. I'll let you know at what time tomorrow. And that's it, guys. This is going to be it for today's stream. Thank you very much. Make sure to smash up the like button. I will see you very